Hello, welcome to Your Academy. At Your Academy, in today's lecture, we would be dealing with a work by Jan-François Lyotard titled The Postmodern Condition, a Report on Knowledge. Now, this book, The Postmodern Condition, a Report on Knowledge by Lyotard was initially a report which Lyotard was asked by the Council of Universities of Provincial Government of Quebec in 1970s, and Lyotard was asked to write a report about the status of knowledge in the highly advanced societies of Europe. So what Lyotard did, he took an extensive project of writing a report about knowledge in the most highly advanced or developed societies of the world, and later in 1979 he published that report in the form of a book entitled that The Postmodern Condition, a Report on Knowledge. Now this work, The Postmodern Condition, a Report on Knowledge, became the most important work in the postmodern age, or about the postmodern age, or about the postmodernism. Lyotard thus became one of the most significant critic of postmodernism, and his contribution was immense through this particular work of his, The Postmodern Condition, a Report on Knowledge. Now in this lecture we will deal with this work of Lyotard. Now before we dwell deep into the work, what does the title of this work suggest? It has got two parts. For example, the postmodern condition, and then there is a colon, and it comes with a report on knowledge. So what it is, basically it is a report. So what is report? Report is any official document which is a result of an investigation taken by or carried out by person or persons in a project which is fully supported by the evidences about their their arguments or about their research, and that official document is termed as report. But this report which Lyotard was writing was very much different from other conventional reports. And it was different because it was report on knowledge. Now writing a report on knowledge is not an easy or straightforward task, because say for example there would be a person who would write a report on buses plying on a particular road. Now writing a report about buses is not very complicated or difficult task to do, or a difficult report to write. You would say for example write how many buses ply on a particular road, what is the timing of the buses, how many buses run on time, how many arrive on time, how many leave late, how many arrive late. These would be components of a particular report. How many passengers do travel in those particular buses in a particular time period. That is a very straightforward report. But when you are writing a report on knowledge, that becomes more complicated and more difficult thing. And even Lyotard appreciates this thing in this report when he says that what I am doing, I am writing a report on the status and nature of knowledge, or the treatment of knowledge in the most advanced societies of the world. Now this is not an easy task. So there are two things which would be important in this work. One would be the condition of knowledge, or the treatment of knowledge in the postmodern society, and then there would also be the use or definition of knowledge in the postmodern society. How is knowledge defined in the postmodern society? Lyotard says that this book will deal about knowledge. What do we think knowledge is? How is this knowledge organized? How is this knowledge generated, organized, and then utilized in the society? These would be some of the aspects of this book or this report on knowledge. And he would also try to sort out or answer few questions. For example, which knowledge is treated as valuable? How is that knowledge communicated? Who has access to this knowledge? What is it used for? Who determines and controls the flow of knowledge? How it shapes our lives and experiences of the world. Now these would be some of the questions are the focus points of Lyotard in this work about knowledge. But the most important among all these questions would be, how does knowledge shape up our lives and experiences in the postmodern era? Now, in this context, Lyotard says that in the postmodern era after World War II, knowledge has had a great change, or there was a shift in how knowledge was treated or looked upon. And this shift came because of the advancement of human beings in the field of technology, the development of computer. Now, by the advent of computer, Lyotard says we can not only store a huge amount of data, but we can regulate a large amount of information. We can send information quickly, say for example through SMSs or through emails. And now in the contemporary times we have more advanced platforms of spreading information like the social media. Now, what Lyotard says that because of the development of such things in the society, knowledge has gone through a great shift, gone through a huge transformation, and the transformation that knowledge has taken greatly is that it has become a commodity. In the postmodern world, knowledge has become a commodity which is sold in the market and bought in the market just like the other products are sold. So knowledge has become a product of capitalism, a commodity of capitalism, which is generated or created and then it's spread or communicated or sold, and then it is also exploited in a particular manner. And the most important aspect of knowledge in the postmodern society, as per Lyotard, is that knowledge is information. The more information a person has, more knowledgeable he would be. So everything that surrounds knowledge in the postmodern society is information. So the knowledge that we have in postmodern society is information driven. So what is the definition of knowledge in the postmodern society? The definition of knowledge would be information. Knowledge means information. Knowledge is information driven, and one who has got a lot of information is the most powerful person in the postmodern era.